Welcome. If you're here, you probably love Pinterest for inspiration and ideas, but maybe you're getting a little too many notifications from Pinterest itself, specifically those Pinterest announcements push notifications. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off Pinterest announcements push notifications on your phone, step by step. It's quick, easy, and I promise, you'll feel a lot less distracted afterward. First things first, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're inside the app, look for your profile. You'll find it at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to your personal Pinterest profile page. Now, at the top of your profile page, you'll see your profile picture. Tap on that. You might expect this to open up your photo or let you edit your profile, but actually, this is where you'll find the settings menu for your notifications. After you tap your profile picture, look for the option that says Notification. This is what we're after, so tap on it. Inside the notification settings, you'll see a few different categories. We're focusing on Others. Scroll down a bit until you see Pinterest announcements. Tap on that. Here, you'll see all the options for how you receive updates from Pinterest, emails, push notifications, and so on. Right now, we want to turn off push notifications for Pinterest announcements. Find the toggle next to Push and tap it. You'll see it switch off, and just like that, you'll stop getting those announcements popping up on your phone. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back and turn them on again, but for now, enjoy the peace and quiet. That's all there is to it. In just a few taps, you've taken control of your Pinterest notifications. You'll still get your regular updates and messages, but those extra announcements won't bother you anymore. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.